What's that noise? What is up? Today I will be working on the WRX. I still get a bit of a vibration when I'm driving it, so I jacked it up and I got a weird noise coming from the rear diff area, or at least it sounds like it's coming from the rear diff area. So I'm going to take this chance to do the fluid. I mean, it's a regular maintenance item that I need to go ahead and take care of because I don't know the last time it was changed. So let's get into it. So since I'm gonna take a look at the rear diff stuff, I went and picked up some GL5 gear oil 75W90. This is just what I could get quick tonight. I got there about 10 minutes before the store closed. So I'm gonna see about draining it. Let's make sure we can get the fill one off first. This will be the first time I've ever done this on a Subaru. All right, so there's definitely oil in there. But it is not pretty. Oh, and this looks, is that a magnet? Is there stuff on it? I don't know. What is that? Hey, Mama. No, I'm working on my Subaru.
I'm sorry. I just wanted to hear your voice. I don't want nothing. I'll talk to you later.
Oh, Mama, it's okay. Is there anything you want to talk about? I'm just laying up under my car.
Okay, I just love you, Mackie. That's all, no.
All right, well, I love you too, Mama.
Hey, bye.
Bye. I don't know if you can see that nastiness. I'm going to get it out because why not? See, when your car is clean, it's better. Everybody knows that. When your car is clean, it is better. That is a proven fact. That is dirty. One day I'll have a cleaning party. Sound like somebody pulled up in front of my driveway. Oh, that was my neighbor. I do not know the torque spec for this. That's not gonna leak. So I've never used this. Let's see how it works. Oh, I gotta cut the tip. All right, here goes nothing. So I'll start filling it up and it'll be full when it starts to come out of the fill hole. You can see it shooting in there. See it? Look at that. I'm getting good. Oh, shoot, that's too much. All right, it should take most of this. Actually, this is working pretty good. Dadgummit, if I keep spilling it, I can stop spilling it. This is like the Capri Sun version of gear oil. It's in a bag. Capri Sun gear oil. And my flavor is 75W90. Ooh. All right. I am convinced that I got it full. That exhaust does sound nice from this angle, but I am replacing it because there's some issues with it. Do you hear that rattle? I don't know if that is what is causing my vibration when I'm driving, but I don't think it should be there. I don't think it's coming from the rear diff. It might be coming from an axle, but if I'm wrong and you know Subarus, let me know if that's a normal sound when the car is running when it's on jack stands. I'll dig into that in another video. This was a short video, but there are more on the way. If you would like to follow along as I continue to get to know and find the other issues with my WRX, hit subscribe. If you'd like to check out the work I've done on my Mark IV Golf, my 95 Civic, or my 89K 1500 truck, check out my playlist. Thanks for watching. Take care.